Hey my doll baby, so I had to wear a cap for this one. My hair is growing crazy because that 333 hair oil is doing wonders. Anyway, y'all know the steps. You get you some liquid gold or some got to be glued spray and mold your cap down. So right here I'm just cutting away the excess stocking cap. So remember, cut close to the hairline as possible. Okay. Don't say I ain't never tell you nothing. Anyway, I'm about to throw this wig on and see how it's looking. I don't know what I was thinking when I did these colors. I'm just in here just revamping wigs. So yeah, this was real bashment. But I liked it after I was done. So continue watching. So you're gonna use your bold hold active. You want to use thin layers. I like to use glue on my cap and on my hair, on my skin. Not a lot on the cap, just a little bit. It just gives it an extra hold that I like. Okay. And as you can see, I'm on Clubhouse and that shit just got me hooked. But anyway, let's continue. We're gonna do thin layers of this bold hold active. All right. And now we're gonna apply bashment. So as you can see, I didn't put it exactly where I put the glue. I put it over the glue. That's because I am going to put some more glue under those lift ups, and I'm gonna show you what I'm going to do. So I'm gonna take some glue and I'm gonna put it on my eyebrow razor tip. And yeah, you actually want to use something nice and smooth, or you can use your finger, or you can even use your nail. Sometimes I use the back of my nail. So yeah, and that gives you a nice smooth lay too. So yeah, I'm gonna let that dry. Actually do like 2 layers, and then you're gonna take your comb and smush that baby in. Smush, 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 smushity, smush, smush. So I'm gonna take the eyebrow razor and I'm gonna cut that piece off. Yeah, so now I'm gonna part out a little bit of baby hairs. I know I'm not a fan of baby hairs, but certain hairstyles, a little bit of baby hairs is needed. I didn't do too much, so yeah. So yeah. I'm just molding it. Took a little bit of bold hold jelly with some mousse, like I always do, and molding it. The baby hairs. Well, yeah, I know I really like baby hairs, so it just be hard for me sometimes. But I'm trying. I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Especially with color hair. So I'm just trying to add a little bit of powder up in there because that scalp was looking kind of white. We need to give her a little brownness. So yeah. I don't know why I didn't put on the goddamn wrap, but I think I put it on after because this was the next morning. And as you can see, it's laid. I'm actually using the hot comb to tame those flyaways. And yeah, I put some light curls in it and I called it a day. Flamboyant touches done slayed again, baby.